So basically, around 9, you may see a drop. So something like this, 38.2, boom. A lot of rejection around these areas right here. Just a lot of rejection. And then basically, gotta wait for the 4-hour to close. And then basically probably close right there. Stop loss right here. And then take it down here. Quick little 110 pips. Nice little trade. Potential. It just depends how it closes in the next 16 minutes. So I'll just make a little stop loss just a little bit less tight, just so it can breathe a little bit. So we'll do 35 pip stop loss. 35 pip stop loss, 110 pip gain. That's a good risk to reward. First TP is going to be at the lows right here. So TP 1, TP 2. Okay. TP 3. Cool. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So basically, I see price dropping. If this candle closes bearish in the next 15 minutes, it'll be a nice sell, like that. But if it doesn't close like bearish enough, then it's gonna rise again, at least a little. But I think it's gonna drop. I'm pretty confident it's gonna drop. So we'll just see what happens in like 15 minutes. Okay. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at for that, bro. Nice low close to the week before NFP. Yep. Boom, guys. Hope you guys saw that. Literally, guys, I was discussing this setup yesterday, and basically, yo, it dropped about 75 pips. We didn't even have to wait till 8 a.m. this morning to check it out. It happened last night, the beginning of the move. It's only about 20 pips, about 15-20 pips away from TP3. That's fine, you know. It's no reason to hold it over the weekend. 75 pips secured. NFP for what? I hope you guys are having a great month so far. It's only like the first or second day in the month, man, and just make the most out of it. Keep grinding and make it happen, guys. Peace.
Wow.